So today is July 1st, 2019. We are heading into July 4th week, which is awesome. I love July 4th. It's so fantastic. So I got lots of cotton all over the lawn. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of everywhere. But remember these things? They're back. I hate those stupid things. So when I got home today at 5 o'clock, I took my backpack blower and blew all of these cotton pods out of here. It is now 6:30 and look how many there are that have come out of this tree. So that is a big fat pisser. Check this little project out. So I finished this walkway here. I still do plan to plant some moss or something in here. And then I put these rocks in here heading over to there just today. So these are all my dahlias right here. I've got lots of dahlias, and I realize they're planted way too close. My wife planted them, and that's what she went with. So, and that's what I'm going with. I'm not gonna complain because she planted them. So I'm gonna do a little bit of trimming, and let's get a mow on. Let's do this. So I am always gonna be the first one to tell you that I suck at the string trimmer. I am no good at it, but I do my best. And it looks decent. I get a lot of people asking me about this live edge right here on this asphalt. So I do realize that this edge here kind of looks bad, and I am fully aware of that. And people will say like, you gotta do something about that, put curbing in, or they just give these nasty comments. I'm aware of it, and there's nothing I can do about it. Property corner is roughly right where I'm standing. So anything from here over, I do not own, and I'm not allowed to manicure. I'm not allowed to grow grass there, I'm not allowed to edge it, I'm not allowed to do anything. But look at it. I have taken the liberty to just go for it. So where I'm standing, from here over to there where all those weeds are at the edge of the driveway and where that drain is, that is also not my property. So I'm not allowed to grow grass here. I'm not allowed to do anything with the edge. So if you can see this little dark stripe right here, that is a sprinkler trench. A couple years ago, I came through here. Car. Hey! All right, so a couple years ago, I came through here. So if you can see that little dark line right there, that is a sprinkler trench, okay? It's a little bit low, and that's why it's darker. A couple years ago, I came through here and put that sprinkler line in so I could irrigate the section of the lawn that is not mine. I do not own it. And so they kind of threw a fit, and they're like, you can't do that. You're not allowed to put sprinklers on our property, this, that, and the other. And I get it. They don't want the snowplow coming by here, ruining the sprinklers, and then me blaming them, asking them to fix it. So I signed a paper saying that I would be liable for it, and I would take care of any damage. So getting back to this live edge, I am not allowed to do anything with it, so I am forced just to deal with it. I agree that it looks unkept, but there's nothing I can do about it, guys. It is what it is, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. How I like to take care of this, first I come through here with a string trimmer, and I kind of string trim the big parts on the edges, and then I will come through here with the reel mower, just kind of hang it over a little bit. The grass is just a little bit higher than the asphalt, which is less than ideal. So I kind of hang the reel over just a little bit, and that's how I deal with the edge. See right there? We've got mushrooms right there. Mushrooms are the result of organic matter breaking down moisture and temperature. So the optimal conditions are just right. So you get mushrooms. What can you do about them? Really nothing. Just deal with them. They're not that big of a deal. First thing I like to do is the edging, and then I'm gonna come through here with the blower and blow all those cotton pods up over there. And then I will get the mower out. So that is the sequential order that I'm going with today. So I'm running around the lawn doing the edging, and I ran out of line. So I went and got some more line, and I want to show you how awesome this little thing is right here. This is the Speed Feed, I think 400, made by Echo. This is a steel trimmer, and it fits awesome on the steel trimmer, and it'll fit on the Echoes. So this thing is freaking awesome. So all you do with this one is there's some arrows right here. You line up the hole with the arrows, put your line through here like this. It's seriously so easy. They call it a speed feed because like it's seriously so freaking easy. You just kind of have to straighten out the line. You put it through the hole like this. If I can get it through there. Okay, so like that, okay? So all you do is you just take your line however long you want, and then you just put it on there like that. Make them even. Pull it through like that to the center, and then all you do is just twist this like this, and you roll it up. That's all you do, just like that. So then it's fed and ready to go. It's got a bump feed, so you just bump it like this, like any normal trimmer. And it's so awesome. You don't have to take the head off, deal with the spring, going on and off. So the first one I had on this trimmer was just the factory one that came with the trimmer, and then I upgraded to the quick feed, the steel version of this. That thing's a piece. I would not recommend that at all. And then I saw videos on the Interscreen about this thing for the Speed Feed 400 made by Echo, and this thing is a game changer. I'm telling you, this thing is worth the money. I think it's like 20 bucks or something like that, or 25 or 30 bucks or something, but it's well worth it because it's just so easy to load. So this blower is the BR800 steel blower. Upgraded to this blower in the spring of this year, a couple months ago. And the reason I wanted to get this blower because of the sheer power. I had the little handheld steel blower, and while it worked great, it does not blow these cotton pods up as well as this thing that has high max power. I love this thing. I think I paid about $6.50 for it, and I realized that that is so much money. But I just wanted a machine I could use and buy. It would last a long time, and it's the best of the best. So, awesome thing about this blower is before you put it on, you turn on the choke, then here's the pull start. All you do is just pull it right here and go. And then when you pull the trigger, the choke turns off, so it's awesome. So I hate these trees, but I love this blower. It is so freaking I'm telling you guys, if you're considering getting a backpack blower, just go for it. Get the BR800, the one with the side pull start, like this one. It is amazing, and I love it. I would recommend it. It's expensive, but if you've got the money, go for it, because it is awesome. Especially if you have a big property. Been cutting this section over and over and over in multiple passes in multiple directions, and I find the more you go over the same section in different directions, the better the cut gets. It's just freaking awesome. So it basically did from here over in multiple passes, and it just turns out fantastic. I love it. So I'm just gonna go over this section with the walk behind for now, and then I think I will come out here on the triplex and then roll the wide stripes, but I'm just going to shave it down really good with the walk behind for now. She's a maniac, maniac on the floor. She's dancing like she'd never danced before. Oh, thanks, honey. Looks fantastic. Starving.
You haven't seen it. I've seen it. It looks really good.
Oh, look at that.
See, told you.
Ooh, that does look good. What are those
Look at the
green
inside.
things?
They put
Those.
cucumbers. Good?
Mm-hmm. Want some?
Yeah.
Go bite.
Okay. I just want a little bite.
Boar's head sandwich. That's some good stuff, I tell you what. So that's it for tonight. So for July 1st, 2019, that is going to do it. I mowed it in 2 different directions with the walk behind, with the bagger off, because I put down some fertilizer yesterday and probably put down about a little less than 1/2 pound of nitrogen per 1,000, and I do not want that getting bagged up. So it looks fantastic. I tell you what, it looks good. I'm gonna come over here tomorrow with the Real Master 3100D and lay down some wide stripes. So I love how these annuals are starting to take form and turn out. I did finish this pathway right here. All I need to do now is just add some moss or something to grow in the rocks there. I saw those baskets are looking awesome. I bought them from Home Depot and they are looking good. So I'm gonna do one quick round of fertilization of the baskets. I'm gonna show you how I do that.